Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to disconnect your HONOR Earbuds to Lite from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the third line we have the button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list. In the future you can reconnect them. If you want to totally remove your earbuds from the phone, then you need to unpair them and you need to select Forget this device button. But let's disconnect them, so disconnect. And as I tell you, I just stop Bluetooth connection with the earbuds, but still have them as device list and I can easily reconnect them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!